Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. No. Good afternoon and good night. You guys, it's early Sunday morning and the mission has begun. I woke up this morning and I felt for porridge. And Taylor has been asking for porridge since last week, so it was a good moment to make porridge. So I made some oats porridge for the fam. In the living room right now on his tablet, chilling, and Babe and I is in. Can you guys guess? Let's see who can guess and get it right where Babe and I is right now. Dun, 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 dun. We're in Baby D's room. Yay!
Hi guys. First mission. I'm not in prison. First mission is to put on the crib because we have to paint it. So we kind of early, but we
don't have to paint it, but we want to paint it.
We want to paint it. It needs to be painted.
Yeah. Tyler ate it when he was a baby, and Tyler will tell you that.
Wants to give you a joke. Which side do you think is like this or is like this? You just have to look at all of this. And you know that is like this.
Let's show them. You guys, you see this? Let me hold the camera properly. Hold on, don't move it. Let it stay still. Okay, you guys see all this mark on this crib go all the way to the end? That's Tyler's handiwork. When Tyler was a baby, Tyler would crawl on this bed and he would eat it non-stop. So
really eat it.
He does. His mouth would be white when we go for him in his bed. We'd have to wipe out the paint out of Tyler's mouth. So, babe and our mission is to fit up the crib and fit up the change table. The good thing about having a baby number 2 is that we kept everything from baby number 1, at least most things from baby number 1, so we don't have to buy crib, we don't have to buy change table and those things. We don't have to start afresh. So all we're gonna do is fit it up, paint it, and then give baby girl her own little personal touch on the bed and the change table. So let's see what we'll get accomplished today and how far we'll progress. But the mission today is to fit the bed, fit the change table, and fit her dresser to get her room going. So today's mission all morning is going to be dedicated to baby girl. So let's do this. And babe need my help, so I gotta go.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, make sure you guys enjoy today's vlog, doing baby girl room, starting baby girl room with us. And yeah, subscribe if you're new to our channel. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys along today's vlog. Okay, need me? You know what to go where?
Try.
I think to make it easier, you should just go online and see if they give you nothing. You don't have a book for it?
No, but that's okay. I know.
Yeah, but I don't want us to take the extra time that we don't have. We have a lot to do. It don't look like a lot, but we have a lot to do.
Yeah, but that's okay. I have this.
Okay.
This.
Okay, sir. I can't hear Tyler coming.
Shuffling Songs by Donnie McClurkin on Amazon Music.
quoi?
Qui dit
C'est
qui dit ça?
Mais c'est pas comme ça.
I don't know how to do it.
You can't do it. Say right. See, you did it. No, I can't. I can't. This game. I'm helping Papa to fix baby sister change table. Go, I soon come go play.
No.
Yes, why not? Go. Don't touch anything. Who is that?
Okay, we have to. You hungry? Okay. Okay, it's just 10:12.
All done, change table. Now it's time to clean it and get it ready to paint.
I don't
You
know.
have to find it, man. Look in one of your basket.
Which color basket?
I don't know. You guys, we are onto the final piece of furniture for baby girl's room
Now.
for now. And boy, I would advise every pregnant woman, get things out the way as early as possible if you really want to not leave everything up to your husband to do. When they have the help, it's really nice.
Oh yes, it is.
But it's not easy on us. You have to stop, you have to reel. Man, it's rough. It's not easy at all. You don't find it?
No.
Okay. And Kyla is being our little help as usual. He's just playing around with the tools.
Okay, do it too, Mama.
Yes, baby, you're doing
It's
very good
because I
job.
finished this.
Yes, you did finish it. You did well.
Mama,
Yes, Dad.
tomorrow we're going to do a big bed. Just like mine in my new room.
No.
Why, Mama?
Says who? Who says we're gonna do a big bed? What's going on here?
Because you thought that you're not going to get a gift.
Who are not going to get a gift?
You, because you dropped this tooth right there in the view, Mama.
You guys, my husband is doing such a good job. He's still at it while I'm assisting. But he's down there. Baby D watching. Say, go Papa, go Papa, go Papa. She cheering you on, honey. Baby girl cheering you on. She said, go Papa, look at her pushing on. Go Papa, go Papa. But we almost finished. Look how far baby reached on the dresser. He's doing well.
It's not only me.
It's not only you. Well, normally I could have helped him much more than this, but hey, today I'm just doing what I can. It's not making me do much anyway, but we're almost there. I'll show you guys the finish of the dresser when he's done. You guys, this is where we're at so far. We finished the dresser, finished putting up the bed and the change table. So now my next mission with the change table and the bed is to sand it off and paint it to make it look fresh, just the way I wanted it. Same thing I'm gonna do to this one, but since this is brand new, then I have nothing to do to this one. But these two shall be transformed, but that's another vlog. You guys will see me doing that. But for today, our job here is done and baby girl room is coming together. Who's that? Hello, you. What happened?
It hurt, Mama.
What hurt?
Yeah.
What were you doing?
I was doing my soccer because guess what?
What?
Come, Papa made
You made something?
big one.
Oh, wow. Look at that big road. Started here. And it have lots of cars on it too. Wow, you did such a good job. Wow.
It's a traffic jam.
It's a traffic jam?
Yeah,
Oh,
because
no. Wow.
look, it's a traffic jam because it's a mini smell, so it has to be green. And here is the spinning thing that it gets cold our car. And here's the gas station.
Okay, I see. Good job.
So I find another car. So who sent me that car?
I don't know. You have too many.
Oh well, I don't know who sent me this
You
car.
say, oh, well, I don't know who sent me this car.
Very good. That way. Which is that? So I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put a tunnel here.
Okay.
Just like in our road.
Okay. Oh, it jumped off the road. Oh, it's at the gas station. It's filling up. It's filling up with gas.
Yeah.
And back onto the road it goes and join the traffic jam.
I think there is a little bit more car.
Okay.
I'm going to take this car.
Okay.
It's the same car.
Yeah, it is.
So this orange car is going to go that way.
Okay. All right, I'll be back, okay?